Hello there, welcome to the free video lesson on Fight Red Light Ticket, Win in Court today. It's very possible you can beat a red light ticket in court. A lot of people just do not contest them. Now, what you need to realize is that red light cameras were only invented a couple of years ago. It's not like these things have been around forever. A lot of them have a lot of errors, and a lot of times you can beat the charge against you with the red light ticket because it's hard to prove because there's not an officer there prosecuting you. All you have is a camera. So they don't know the conditions of that day. They don't know the situation you are faced with, and they don't know if it's even accurate. A lot of areas, red light tickets will be off, and several hundred red light tickets have been dismissed at one point in time just because it was off. Now, what most people do is they'll get these red light tickets and they'll just pay them. That's the wrong way to go. You can beat these red light tickets a number of different ways. Check out the free e-course at trafficticketsaver.com. We go over a lot of tips. We've helped a lot of motorists save thousands of dollars from fines, insurance rate increases, and points out of their driver's license. We can definitely help you with this. Now, a lot of times you can contest the charge via snail mail. In most cases, you can contest the charge of the red light ticket via your snail mail. Now, a lot of people won't do this, but these requests usually take a while to be processed. Now, the longer they sit in the docket, the less likely you'll be prosecuted. So stay on it, learn what you need to do, learn the tricks at trafficticketsaver.com, and really contest it. Check with the laws of your state. Now, if you want to learn how to fight a red light ticket and win, check out www.trafficticketsaver.com to get your free e-course on how to beat your red light ticket. It's very possible. You just need to know what to do. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Head on over to trafficticketsaver.com now to learn how to beat that red light ticket.